Managing multiple computers can be frustrating, especially when you need to share USB devices like keyboards, mice, and storage drives between systems. The Benfei USB 3.0 switch steps in as a simple yet powerful solution, offering fast data transfer, wide compatibility, and a user-friendly design that makes dual system productivity effortless. The Benfei USB 3.0 switch features a compact matte black enclosure that fits neatly on any desk. Its four USB 3.0 ports are clearly labeled, and the front-facing LED indicators make it easy to see which computer is active at a glance. A single button lets you instantly switch between two PCs. No cable plugging or driver setup required. Despite its simplicity, the switch feels solid and well-built, designed to handle continuous daily use in professional and home office environments. The Benfei USB 3.0 switch for two computers with four USB ports is an outstanding productivity tool for anyone managing multiple systems. It combines speed, simplicity, and robust build quality at an affordable price point. A must-have USB switch for dual PC setups, blending reliability, speed, and convenience.